How to schedule Reels on Instagram. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, and then in here we'll have to tap on this plus sign to create a reel. After that, you'll have to make sure that you choose the reel option, and then in here we can now choose a photo or a video that we can use for our reel. And then in here we can edit our reel. We can add a music, text, sticker, or even add an effect. Once we're done editing the reel, simply tap on the next option. So before we upload the reel, we can also add a caption. So as an example, I'm gonna type here desk setup, and then at the bottom, tap on the more options. And then in here, you will now see this option, schedule this reel. So as an example, I'm gonna schedule this reel on September 27, 11:45 a.m. After that, simply tap on the done option. And then we'll just have to go back and then tap on the schedule option to upload the reel. After that, we'll just have to wait for a little, and then we'll have to go back to our profile. And then in here, I'll have to go to my Reels option. So as you can see here, the video isn't appearing yet since the video is scheduled to be posted on September 27, 11:45 a.m. So that's how easy you can schedule Reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!